But there are some cool motorcycles out here. So, gonna grab some lemonade, grab some food. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. What's up, man? All right, where the bike's at? Classics supercars. Nice. I love Cars and Coffee. It's just a good time. It's such a cool community vibe. Let's park over here next. Yeah, I know this guy. Next to the ape. Oh yeah, I got that coffee. Just walking around, checking out the cars. Not too many bikes here. I'll go back in a little while and see what all is rolled up. I have no idea what that is. But a lot of people are like taking pictures, so I'll take a picture too. LS3 swap Miata over here. Coffee was good. We still gotta go. I like these. Dude, my R3 feels so upright now when I sit on it because the Gixxer is so aggressive. And now I feel like my R3 is like a naked. It's like, oh, this is super comfy.
I keep wondering, like, I keep seeing shit, and I'm like, you know, I wonder how aggressive mine is compared to other people's. Like, dude, I feel like
I want to get some video of all the. There was, I think, a Ninja 500 here earlier, and he had the hookup. He worked in a shop where he got the official like Lamborghini purple on his, like, painted on his fairings. It was so pretty. It looked so good. That's crazy. Another successful Cars and Coffee. Good stuff. I love coming to these things, especially when the weather's nice. Got this. Need my gloves on. Having a good time. Alright. Ready? So let's picture. Oh man. His bike looks so good. Nice. So yeah, this place only has 87, but we'll make it work. Stop somewhere else once we get into town, because we don't know just how much more he's got. Yeah, we'll take it easy. We stop somewhere else when we get into town.
Yeah, I mean, it's not, like I said, the fact that it's 100% gas is better than just regular ethanol 87.
Bugs. Bugs, bugs, bugs. You too! Does it feel okay? I didn't even think about not being able to get premium at all gas stations. Mine's about to come on. I'm sure we'll find some on this strip. It blows my mind that I can be in second gear on the interstate. Just, that would not happen on the R3. Once I get more revs unlocked in the break-in, I'm gonna try it in first, because I'm sure it'll pull on the interstate in first. Oh, here's the good stuff. 600. Oh yeah, we got room. It's right down the road. We're almost there. I thought that was a refrigerator at first, like refrigerated beef jerky. Oh, this gas feels so good because it's cool. All right, what do we got? Nice. Man. Got some nice parking. Just rolled into Moto Match and feeling this Malibu Barbie. This looks pretty insane. It's put on by the Scooter Crew and the Antique Motorcycle Association. I believe that's what it's called. But there are some cool motorcycles out here. So, gonna grab some lemonade, grab some food. All right, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ooh, so good. Check this out, I just got a burger. They've got these little slide throws for the onions and stuff. It's pretty cool. The rocket. This thing's mean. This is like the epitome of classic Ducati. It is.
Big square headlights.
Wow.
That BMW scrambler right here.
Dang.
Look at that shit. Got a gin bottle right there.
That's amazing. Yeah, that's got to be cooler. I think.
That's like Kool-Aid blue. You know what I mean? It's like I've never seen that.
Oh, they've got another one over here.
Everybody should know that there is a storm coming in, and we're expecting the storm to be here after 12:30. So we have moved the award ceremony up from 1 o'clock.
No, that
to
one's got
12
one
o'clock.
too.
The award ceremony will be right here in the open garage door. We're counting ballots now, and then the auction will be right after that. Thank you so much for coming. We'll talk to you in just a little bit.
Oh, I need to vote if they're closing it down. My number one is that Suzuki. One, because it's a Suzuki, but also I love like everything about that. Just the colors, it's like what we thought the future would be like in the 80s.
I see. That's what I'm with that one.
Turbo diesel. What?
I missed this one actually.
Wow. Frankenhogs.
Super cool. Love it.
This is super similar to the Shadow I had.
Oh really?
Yeah. That was a fun bike. Have you ever ridden one of these?
I have not, dude. Is that a Springer?
No,
It's not a
it's
Springer.
I don't know if you've ever ridden one on road.
A Springer?
Yeah, Harley Springer. It's like got like right
Ooh, this paint looks amazing.
like right in here. It's got big springs instead of the forks. It's like normal forks. It's got springs and like your shit's right. Everything's your suspension is all springs. So like when you hit bumps, it's like
yeah,
it's like it's bouncy as
that's
fuck.
wild.
You gotta be ready for bumps in that thing, because especially in a corner, like if you're like leaned over and like hit a
Yeah.
corner, it's like, it's fucking-
I didn't even know this was here.
Can I get your
Just
attention,
kind of
please?
stumbled upon this.
We're going to start the award ceremony. Get everybody over to the garage door for the bike show, as well as the auction for the fundraiser.
Wow.
I wonder if this is just storage. You know, this is bringing the moto community of Middle Tennessee together, from dirt bikes to race bikes, street bikes, and Tennessee motor culture. From my perspective, this was a success. We had 30 plus vendors that have signed up for it, 6 clubs that showed up here, 10 sponsors that
Alright. That was pretty cool. I've never been to anything quite like that, but it was so cool to see all those old bikes. Hi, man. Good to see you. Be safe. The burger was so good too. The lemonade, oh, good food makes something like that so much better. Already a cool event. That guy won the auction for the cooler and he's got it slung across his back seat. Kind of a vibe, everybody rolling out. Saw some cool bikes, saw some cool cars. Wow, what an action-packed day. I'll wrap it up here, but thanks you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Peace.